Sometimes you want to record your screen, but you don't want to install heavy software that slows down your laptop or fills up your hard drive. The good news is that Windows 11 already comes with a built-in screen recorder. To access it, go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Snipping Tool. You will see the Snipping Tool icon. Click on it. A small window will open. First, maximize it so you can clearly see everything. By default, the camera icon is selected. That's used for taking screenshots, and you can also use the shortcut Windows plus Shift plus S to capture a screenshot. Next to it, there is a video camera icon. When you hover over it, you'll see the Record option. This is used for screen recording, and the shortcut for this is Windows plus Shift plus R. It's just like the screenshot shortcut, but instead of S, you press R for recording. On the right side, you'll notice 3 dotted lines. Click on them and go to Settings. Scroll down and you will find the option Automatically Save Original Screen Recordings. Turn this option on. Below that, you will see Screen Recordings Save To. You can keep the default folder or change it. For example, I'm choosing the Downloads folder as my save location. If you also want to record your voice, enable the setting Include Microphone Input when screen recording starts. Now go back to the main Snipping Tool window. Click New, then select the area of the screen you want to record. After you select it, click Start, and your screen recording will begin. Whatever you do on the screen will now be recorded. You can pause the recording, or you can completely stop it whenever you're done. Your recording will be saved automatically. If you want to make quick edits, there is a trim option. However, trimming is very limited. You can only cut from the left or right edges. This is not a full video editor. But if you need more editing tools, Windows provides another app called Clipchamp, where you can fully edit your video. And that's it. A quick, simple tutorial on using the built-in screen recorder in Windows 11. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.